Over the past quarter century, the automotive industry has seen remarkable advancements in manufacturing and technology. Helping shape that change has been Stratasys. Since our inception, we've been at the forefront of unleashing the imagination of designers and manufacturers, bringing their ideas to life with speed and efficiency. Stratasys prototyping capabilities have sheared months and even years off the development process, reducing investment and part costs dramatically. Automakers and suppliers of all types have realized the benefits of Stratasys 3D printing, and we've seen our technology go from the design studio to the factory floor with the adoption of custom 3D printed tools, jigs and fixtures, tryout parts, and low-volume injection molding. We are reducing manufacturing costs and maximizing assembly line productivity. Stratasys can be found on the line of some of the world's premier automakers, helping them speed manufacturing time and reduce the weight of production tools. Stratasys is shaping the way cars are being imagined, designed, and developed. Production parts can now be 3D printed in small volumes and even manufactured as part of the final vehicle. Lightweight end-use parts are reducing production costs and increasing fuel efficiency. And with next-generation materials and technologies, Stratasys is positioned to help shape the industry for years to come. Stratasys offers a wide range of 3D printing materials for demanding automotive requirements, from clear and rubber-like photopolymers for detailed scale models to tough, high-performance thermoplastics for extreme real-world environments. We empower automotive manufacturers to stay one step ahead of industry challenges with cutting-edge engineering solutions and a range of additive manufacturing technologies for custom applications. Stratasys is shaping more than tomorrow's automobiles. We are helping shape the innovation, creativity, and manufacturing capabilities of those who drive the industry forward.